The ultimate emperor transcending all limitations. Let me ask you something that will reveal the ultimate difference between those who are bound by limitations and those who transcend them entirely. What if I told you that every emperor, every conqueror, every person who has achieved the impossible has discovered one final secret: the ability to transcend all limitations and operate from a realm of absolute possibility? What if I told you that there exists an ultimate level of mastery so profound, so complete, that when you access it, limitations become irrelevant, impossibility becomes your playground, and you operate as the sovereign of reality itself? Tonight, you're going to discover what I call the ultimate emperor consciousness, the final level of mental mastery that transcends all previous methods and makes you the absolute ruler of your own destiny, unlimited by any force except your own imagination. But first, let me take you inside the workshop of a man who demonstrated ultimate transcendence by combining the genius of an artist, the mind of a scientist, and the vision of an emperor to create innovations that still inspire humanity 500 years later. The Renaissance workshop of absolute mastery. It was 1502, and Leonardo da Vinci was standing in his workshop in Florence, surrounded by anatomical drawings, flying machine designs, architectural blueprints, and artistic masterpieces in various stages of completion. At 50, Leonardo had transcended every conventional category of human achievement, operating simultaneously as artist, scientist, engineer, anatomist, philosopher, and visionary. While others specialized in single fields, Leonardo had discovered what Napoleon Hill would later identify as ultimate emperor consciousness, the ability to transcend all limitations of specialization, conventional thinking, and human possibility itself. Leonardo didn't just excel in multiple fields, he created entirely new fields by transcending the boundaries that limited ordinary minds. He operated from a level of consciousness that recognized no limitations except those he chose to accept. In that workshop, Leonardo demonstrated the ultimate imperial principle: when you transcend all limitations, you don't just achieve extraordinary results, you redefine what's possible for human consciousness itself. Leonardo had accessed what Hill called the ultimate emperor state, a level of mental mastery that transcends all previous levels of achievement and operates from pure unlimited possibility. The science of ultimate transcendence. Through studying those who achieved ultimate mastery, Hill discovered that transcending all limitations operates according to final principles that go beyond all previous methods. Principle 1. Limitation irrelevance versus limitation acceptance. Ultimate emperors don't overcome limitations. They operate from a realm where limitations become irrelevant. Principle 2. Possibility sovereignty versus possibility pursuit. Rather than pursuing possibilities, ultimate emperors become sovereign over possibility itself, creating any reality they choose. Principle 3. Transcendent integration versus specialized excellence. Instead of excelling in single areas, ultimate emperors transcend specialization to integrate all forms of mastery. Principle 4. Reality authorship versus reality adaptation. Ultimate emperors don't adapt to reality, they author reality according to their unlimited vision. Principle 5. Consciousness mastery versus skill development. Rather than developing skills, ultimate emperors master consciousness itself, making all skills naturally accessible. The 5 stages of ultimate emperor development. Hill identified 5 ascending stages that lead to ultimate transcendence. Stage 1. Limitation recognition, understanding all boundaries. Stage 2. Transcendence training, systematic limitation elimination. Stage 3. Integration mastery, combining all forms of excellence. Stage 4. Reality authorship, conscious creation of desired realities. Stage 5. Ultimate emperor, complete limitation transcendence. Each stage builds upon the previous ones to create total mastery over consciousness and reality. Stage 1. Limitation recognition, understanding all boundaries. The first stage involves recognizing all forms of limitations: mental, physical, social, economic, temporal, and understanding that they exist only as accepted boundaries rather than absolute realities. Albert Einstein, the limitation recognition revolutionary of Florence. Einstein's transformation from patent clerk to the most revolutionary physicist in history demonstrates perfect limitation recognition. Instead of accepting the limitations of Newtonian physics, Einstein recognized that these were simply accepted boundaries that could be transcended. Einstein's limitation recognition system. Universal limitation assessment. Einstein systematically examined all accepted limitations in physics, time and space limitations, recognizing that accepted concepts of time and space were mental constructs rather than absolute reality. Physical law limitations. Understanding that laws of physics were descriptions of current understanding, not absolute boundaries. Mathematical limitation recognition. Seeing that mathematical limitations reflected thinking patterns rather than universal constraint. Boundary flexibility discovery. Einstein discovered that all boundaries were more flexible than commonly believed.
relativity recognition, understanding that all measurements and observations were relative to the observer. Absolute truth questioning, recognizing that absolute truths were often relative perspectives. Limitation source identification, understanding that limitations came from thinking patterns rather than external reality. Transcendence possibility realization, Einstein realized that any limitation could potentially be transcended. Impossibility redefinition, understanding that impossible often meant not yet discovered. Breakthrough potential recognition, realizing that every limitation contained the seeds of its own transcendence. Unlimited thinking development, developing the ability to think beyond accepted boundaries.
Your limitation recognition training, personal limitation audit. Document all limitations you currently accept as reality in your life. Identify which limitations are actual facts versus accepted mental constructs. Recognize patterns of limitation thinking that constrain your possibility. Boundary source analysis. Trace the origins of your accepted limitations, education, society, family, experience. Understand how limitations were installed and how they maintain themselves. Recognize the difference between temporary constraints and absolute impossibility. Stage 2, Transcendence training, systematic limitation elimination. The second stage involves systematically training your consciousness to operate beyond accepted limitations, developing the mental flexibility to transcend any boundary. Nikola Tesla, the Transcendence training master. Tesla's ability to visualize complete inventions in his mind and test them mentally before building them physically demonstrates perfect transcendence training. He systematically trained his consciousness to operate beyond physical limitations. Tesla's transcendence training methods. Mental reality mastery. Tesla trained his mind to create realities that transcended physical limitations. Complete visualization. Developing ability to create perfect mental models of complex machines. Mental testing. Training consciousness to test and refine inventions purely through mental processes. Imagination engineering. Using imagination as a precise engineering tool rather than mere fantasy. Physical limitation transcendence. Tesla developed methods for operating beyond physical constraints. Energy manipulation. Understanding and working with invisible forces that others couldn't perceive. Wireless power. Transcending the limitation that electricity required physical wires. Frequency mastery. Operating with frequencies beyond normal human perception. Time and space transcendence. Tesla trained his consciousness to operate beyond normal time and space limitations. Future vision. Seeing technological possibilities decades before they became reality. Global thinking. Conceiving planetary scale systems when others thought locally. Instantaneous creation. Developing inventions through sudden insight rather than gradual development. Your transcendence training protocol. Mental reality development. Practice creating detailed mental models of desired outcomes. Train visualization capabilities beyond normal imagination limits. Develop ability to test ideas purely through mental processes. Limitation transcendence exercises. Systematically challenge one accepted limitation per week. Practice thinking beyond normal boundaries in all areas of life. Develop comfort with impossibility level thinking. Stage 3, integration mastery, combining all forms of excellence. The third stage involves integrating multiple forms of mastery to create capabilities that transcend what's possible through single area expertise. Leonardo da Vinci, the integration mastery virtuoso. Leonardo's ability to combine art, science, engineering, anatomy, and philosophy into unified mastery demonstrates perfect integration. He didn't just excel in multiple fields, he created entirely new forms of excellence through integration. Leonardo's integration mastery framework, multidimensional excellence. Leonardo developed mastery across seemingly unrelated fields. Art science integration, using scientific observation to enhance artistic accuracy, and using artistic vision to inspire scientific discovery. Engineering biology fusion, combining understanding of living systems with mechanical engineering principles. Philosophy practice synthesis, integrating theoretical understanding with practical application. Transcendent innovation. Leonardo created innovations that no single field expert could conceive. Flying machine design, combining anatomy, physics, engineering, and artistic vision. Architectural revolution, integrating mathematics, aesthetics, engineering, and human psychology. Artistic breakthrough, using scientific understanding to create unprecedented artistic techniques. Universal pattern recognition. Leonardo recognized patterns that connected all fields of study. Arcantulo integration, understanding universal principles that applied across all disciplines. Systemic thinking, seeing connections between seemingly unrelated phenomena. Holistic mastery, developing understanding that transcended specialized knowledge. Modern integration masters. Steve Jobs, combined technology, design psychology, and marketing to revolutionize multiple industries. Elon Musk integrates engineering, physics, manufacturing, and vision to create breakthrough companies.
Jeff Bezos combines commerce, technology, logistics, and long-term thinking to build global systems. Your integration mastery development, multi-field learning, systematically study fields that seem unrelated to your primary expertise. Look for patterns and principles that apply across different disciplines. Develop expertise that combines multiple areas of knowledge.
Cross-disciplinary innovation, practice solving problems by combining insights from different fields, create innovations that transcend single-area limitations, develop solutions that no specialist could conceive. Stage 4, reality authorship. Conscious creation of desired reality. The fourth stage involves developing the ability to consciously create desired realities rather than accepting existing circumstances or adapting to external conditions. Walt Disney, the reality authorship pioneers, Disney's creation of entirely new realities through imagination, storytelling, and experience design demonstrates perfect reality authorship. He didn't just create entertainment, he authored new realities that millions of people could experience. Disney's reality authorship system. Imagination materialization. Disney developed systematic methods for converting imagination into reality. Story reality creation. Creating complete worlds through storytelling that felt more real than reality. Experience design, building physical environments that immersed people in created realities. Emotional reality engineering, designing experiences that generated specific emotions and responses. Impossible reality construction. Disney specialized in making impossible things real. Fantasy realization, creating ways for people to experience magical and impossible scenarios. Character embodiment, making fictional characters feel real and alive to audiences. Dream materialization, converting dreams and fantasies into tangible experiences. Legacy reality programming. Disney created realities that would continue long beyond his lifetime. Institutional reality creation, building organizations that could continue creating new realities. Cultural reality influence, creating characters and stories that became part of global culture. Generational reality transfer, designing experiences that would inspire multiple generations. Your reality authorship training. Imagination development, practice creating detailed imaginary realities that feel completely real. Develop ability to envision outcomes that don't currently exist. Train imagination to become a precise creation tool. Reality creation practice. Always begin creating small realities in your immediate environment. Practice influencing others' experience of reality through design and presentation. Develop systematic methods for converting vision into tangible experience. Stage 5. Ultimate Emperor. Complete limitation transcendence. The final stage involves achieving complete transcendence over all limitations, operating from pure consciousness that recognizes no boundaries except those you choose to accept. Buddha, the ultimate limitation transcendence. Buddha's achievement of complete enlightenment demonstrates ultimate transcendence, the ability to operate from consciousness that is unlimited by any external or internal constraint. Buddha's ultimate transcendence system, consciousness sovereignty. Buddha achieved complete sovereignty over consciousness itself, suffering transcendence, operating beyond all forms of mental and emotional limitation. Attachment independence, achieving results without dependence on outcomes. Desire mastery, using desire as a tool while remaining unlimited by it. Reality independence, Buddha developed independence from all external circumstances. Circumstance irrelevance, maintaining perfect equanimity regardless of external conditions. Success-failure transcendence, operating beyond conventional concepts of success and failure. Time-space independence, achieving understanding that transcends temporal and spatial limitations. Ultimate teaching, Buddha created teachings that could help others achieve similar transcendence. Method transmission, developing systematic approaches that others could follow. Consciousness technology, creating practices that directly develop transcendent consciousness. Liberation multiplication, teaching methods that could free unlimited numbers of people. Modern ultimate emperors. Nelson Mandela transcended hatred, imprisonment, and injustice to become a force for reconciliation. Mahatma Gandhi operated beyond violence, fear, and conventional power to achieve impossible social change. Martin Luther King Jr. transcended racial limitations and hatred to envision and create social transformation. The Ultimate Emperor Formula. Based on studying complete transcendence, Hill developed the ultimate formula for limitation-free existence. Formula Component 1. Limitation irrelevance mastery. Develop consciousness that operates beyond all accepted limitations through systematic boundary transcendence. Formula Component 2. Integration excellence. Achieve mastery that combines all forms of human excellence, rather than specializing in single areas. Formula Component 3. Reality authorship capability. Master the ability to consciously create desired realities, rather than accepting existing circumstances. Formula Component 4. Consciousness sovereignty. Achieve complete sovereignty over your own consciousness.
making it unlimited by external forces. Formula Component 5. Transcendence, multiplication. Develop the ability to help others achieve similar transcendence, multiplying unlimited consciousness.
The Ultimate Emperor Protocol, Phase 1, Foundation Transcendence, Months 1 to 3, Limitation Recognition Mastery, complete audit of all accepted limitations in every area of life, systematic challenging of one limitation per week, development of limitation-free thinking patterns, Transcendence Training beginning, new, daily practice of operating beyond accepted boundaries, mental reality development through advanced visualization, beginning integration of multiple areas of expertise, Phase 2, Integration Development, Months 4-6, Multi-field mastery, systematic study of fields beyond your primary expertise, cross-disciplinary problem-solving practice, development of universal pattern recognition, reality authorship training, development of systematic imagination to reality conversion methods, beginning influence over others' reality experience. Phase 3, Ultimate Mastery Integration, Months 7 to 12, Consciousness Sovereignty Development, Re-ultimate independence from external circumstances for inner state, mastery over emotional and mental responses to any situation, development of unlimited thinking capacity, transcendence multiplication, development of methods for helping others achieve similar transcendence, creation of systems that multiply unlimited consciousness, achievement of legacy that continues transcendence beyond your direct involvement. The Laws of Ultimate Emperor Consciousness. Law 1. The Law of Limitation Irrelevance. Limitations exist only as accepted boundaries. Ultimate consciousness recognizes no limitations except those consciously chosen. Law 2. The Law of Integration Supremacy. Integrated mastery. Transcends specialized excellence. Ultimate emperors combine all forms of mastery. Law 3. The Law of Reality. Authorship consciousness can create any reality it clearly envisions and systematically develops. Ultimate emperors author rather than accept reality. Law 4. The Law of Consciousness. Sovereignty unlimited. Consciousness is the ultimate authority. External circumstances have no power over sovereign consciousness. Law 5. The Law of Transcendence. Multiplication. Ultimate transcendence naturally multiplies itself. True emperors create more emperors. Your ultimate emperor ascension. And now we come to the final moment of choice. You've journeyed through every level of empire building, mental mastery, and consciousness development. You've learned the methods that Leonardo, Einstein, Tesla, Disney, Buddha, and countless others used to transcend all limitations and operate from unlimited consciousness. This isn't about achieving success or building wealth or gaining power. This is about transcending the very concepts of limitation, impossibility, and boundary. This is about becoming the ultimate emperor of your own consciousness and reality. Most people will hear about ultimate transcendence and think it sounds mystical or impossible. Some will try the methods while still operating from limited thinking. A few will make the complete transformation to unlimited consciousness and will discover that transcendence is not just possible, it's the natural state of consciousness when all artificial limitations are removed. Which group will you join? Remember, Leonardo transcended the boundaries between art and science to create innovations that still inspire humanity. Einstein transcended the limitations of physics to revolutionize our understanding of reality. Tesla transcended physical limitations to work with invisible forces. Buddha transcended all limitations to achieve complete enlightenment. You have access to the same unlimited consciousness. You have the same potential for complete transcendence. You have the same opportunity to become an ultimate emperor who operates beyond all limitations. The final ascension, this is your moment of ultimate choice. Not to succeed within limitations, but to transcend limitations entirely. Not to build an empire within reality, but to become the author of reality itself. The ultimate emperor consciousness isn't coming, it's here. It's you, transcending every limitation, operating from unlimited possibility, and becoming the sovereign of your own infinite potential. Like this video, if you're ready to transcend all limitations forever. Subscribe to this channel if you want continued training in ultimate emperor consciousness. Comment below and declare, I transcend all limitations. I am the ultimate emperor of my consciousness. I operate from unlimited possibility. Share this message with someone ready to transcend their boundaries. When you help others achieve ultimate transcendence, you strengthen your own unlimited consciousness. Remember, every moment you accept limitations is a moment you delay your ultimate ascension. Every moment you operate from unlimited consciousness is a moment you experience your true imperial nature. The ultimate empire isn't built, it's awakened. The ultimate emperor isn't crowned, they're realized. The ultimate transcendence isn't achieved, it's remembered. Transcend the limitations, author the reality, become the ultimate emperor. Your unlimited consciousness awaits your recognition. Your ultimate empire awaits your sovereignty. The ultimate emperor rises now.